Good morning, design world. Hope everyone is doing okay. So last time I did a quick video about how to use the shape builder tool, and this was the last part I showed in the video and asked if anyone wanted to learn how this is done with text, because it's the same concept. And I remember getting a request from someone requesting to, I use the word request too much, but anyway, yeah, someone wanted to learn how to use or to do this. So I'm going to do this really quickly. So I'm just going to press Shift O. That opens up my artboard tool. I'll just click alternate and drag and just delete everything, just creating a new artboard right next to what I have. So I had the text design at the top, maintaining this same foot. So what I did here was I just split this. So this actually reads design trends, so which is what we want to have there. So I'm just going to press alternate, click and drag on my text to create a copy of it. And I'm going to double click on it just to change it to say trends here. Oh, actually put trend. Okay, so design trend. Okay, so what I did is I wanted lines to go through this to show that the text has been cropped. So just for some guidance, I just clicked on my pen tool and created two lines basically. So just click and drag. I'm going to change the color because right now it doesn't have a stroke on it, so I just want it to be a stroke. So I'm just going to click right here. Okay, so the next step we're going to take is we'll click on the text, both of them. Well, just click one at a time. So I'll go to Object, Expand. Okay, so we're changing this from text to being objects. So we'll go to the other text again, click Object, Expand, and click OK. So initially what we did is that we split the word design into two, which is what we're going to do here. So if you right click, you go to ungroup, all of these become separate elements. So I'm going to click this, the E and the D, and just group them. Right clicking and going to group, or you can just press Control Command G on Mac. Now select the remaining ones and press the same, Control G. So this line we've just drawn here will be our guide on where the text is going to get cropped up. So let me just move that a bit down. Okay, so from that let me move it a bit to the left as well. So I'm just seeing where the S is going to get cropped out with this. Move that a bit up. You can actually zoom in just for you to see exactly what's going to go on, and if you're happy with the effect. Okay, so I think this is okay. All right, I think this is good. So okay, so this line here is if you remember what we did with the shape builder tool, is that it splits objects into two parts. So wherever this line is, just see it to be this bottom part to be cut, and the top will be a different cutout as well. So all these will be split. Wherever the line is, it's going to split it into two. So we can actually add more lines. Just click on the line, hold alternate, and drag to any point that you want to be cut. Say there. Okay, let's just keep it at that for now. So we're just going to select everything and go to our shape builder tool, which is this tool. So now you can see just when you just before you even click into an object, it's showing you like because of these lines you're able to separate. So click that shape, click that. Don't worry about that, we'll just color them after this. Click that, click, just click away. Click, click, click. As I said last time, this would be a nice song. Click that, click, click, click. Yeah, and that's it. That is it. So if we delete our lines here, we can see that we still have the shapes here, just that our stroke and color have all been taken away. So we just add our color back in. Then I can click and delete that. Delete. Wow, this is actually an interesting look, I think. Yeah, this is really interesting. So instead of deleting, if you want, you can just, because if I swap from it being a stroke to going back to the fill color, this is what it looks like. It's just a normal text. So you can actually swap it to your stroke and you get an interesting look as well. I think this is quite interesting. Okay, so what I did here is that since these were all grouped, so if I just click one, everything is being selected as a group, so I just ungrouped it. Then now I can click the G on its own, change it to a fill color. Wow, I'm really liking this look as well. Let me ungroup this as well. Change this to a fill color. Don't worry, we're still going to go back to our tutorial. I'm just enjoying this as well. So fill color. Delete that. Delete. So I'm just deleting parts of the lines that were left in this. Yeah, so this is an interesting way to do it as well. So back to our tutorial. Wherever we've got the stroke, just send that to your fill color. Delete that. Delete. Okay. So this is exactly how to use. Delete that. How to use our shape builder tool to chop up text. I just added the background and the gradient, and yeah, that was it. And just change the text to white. It doesn't matter what background or gradient you use, but that's pretty much how to achieve this.